Hi, I'm Jackson Cole. In this video, I will be reflecting on the virtual lesson video that we did with Taylor Wood and Kirsten Truax on instrument maintenance and how to clean your instruments. So, first thing we're going to talk about is what went well. One thing that I thought we really did a good job of is covering a variety of instruments in your band program. We didn't really focus on one group or one instrument in too much detail. I think we got a good overview of all the instruments in the band. And with that, I think we did a good job of splitting up the amount of work so that each person in our video talked in detail about their specific focus and area of expertise. Another thing that I really liked about what we did was we presented the information in a very procedural way so that students could be able to follow, step 1, step 2, step 3. We didn't really explain like a overall abstract concept that might be challenging for students to apply outside of the video. Next, some things that we need to work on. I wish we would have experimented with our technology ahead of time before doing our recording. Just because it was kind of hard to get us all, we did it over Zoom, it was kind of hard to get us all on the same page, broadcasting our visuals at the same time. So like with our finished product, you could see the three of us in the corner talking, but one of us, you could just see an icon of their face and not actually the face. So if we had all kind of experimented and maybe done a practice video ahead of time, that might have helped. Another thing that we could have improved upon is if we had had fewer words in our slides. I think that would have helped. It's kind of a double-edged sword because I think it's a very detail-oriented process in cleaning your instruments. So we want to give them an appropriate amount of information, but not too much. So maybe if the slides had fewer words and we were able to pair it better with demonstrations of us working and cleaning instruments, that might have been a nice compromise. Another thing we could have done well is we could have had multiple people proofread our assessments and our slides. I think most of our slides were fine, but there were a couple of misspelled words in our assessments, which, it's not very professional. Could have been disruptive to students' learning if they were taking it. Some things that we saw our peers do that I think worked really well were when people were inserting shorter videos and songs and segments inside of their own videos so that they're not just lecturing and talking the whole time. I feel like that helped break up the information and keep the student engaged a little bit more. I also saw a lot of people make their videos a little more age-specific oriented. Ours was very informational, but maybe for younger kids it might have been a lot. I could see it working well for high school students, but junior high and elementary band programs need this information just as much as the high school students do. So having a way to gear this towards them a little more effectively would have been a good move. Some things that I learned about this virtual learning project that I'll take out into the real world. One, I learned how to make a video and put the closed captions on it, which I didn't know how to do closed captions before, but YouTube makes that very easy. Learned how to plan a lesson and deliver it in a way that's not taking up class time. So having students be able to do this at home, watch a video, fill out an assessment, gives us more time in class for activities and music programs, in class time on task is really what they're always trying to strive for. So that would be very beneficial for a band program. All right. Thank you.